You didn't stop being a person the moment you became a mom. But if it feels like you did, you're not alone. And you don't have to stay in that place. Motherhood isn't supposed to mean burnout. It's not supposed to mean losing yourself. But that's the message too many of us got. Put everyone first, be the strong one, never need anything. And if you do, feel guilty for it. That's not strength. That's survival mode. And you weren't meant to live stuck in survival. You can be a great mom and still want more for yourself. More energy, more freedom, more peace. Not instead of your family, but for you as a person. Because your kids aren't just watching how you treat them, they're watching how you treat yourself. And that's what they'll copy. That's what they'll believe is normal. Here are 5 things every mom needs to hear, especially today. 1, you don't have to disappear to do a good job. Being present for your family, it doesn't mean erasing yourself. You're still allowed to want things, to need rest, to make space for you. You don't have to justify your needs or earn your alone time. You're allowed to exist outside of service. 2, self-sacrifice is not the same as love. You shouldn't have to burn out to feel like you're doing it right. The version of you running on empty isn't better. She's just more exhausted. Love isn't measured by how little you ask for or how much you carry in silence. Love gets stronger when you're whole, not when you're depleted. 3, wanting more isn't wrong. It's human. More strength, more time, more of your identity. That's not selfish. That's what growth looks like. You're allowed to evolve, to dream, to become something beyond who you've had to be. There's nothing wrong with wanting a life that also feels like yours. 4, you're not just raising them, you're showing them how to live. When you set boundaries, take care of yourself, and stop apologizing for it, your kids learn how to do the same. They don't need a version of you who's constantly overwhelmed. They need a model of what it looks like to have self-respect, even in hard seasons. 5, you're more than just a role. Yes, you're a mom, but you're also a full person. And that part of you is still here, whether you've been honoring her or not. You're not done becoming. You still get to have goals, emotions, preferences, and a purpose that exists outside of your responsibilities. So today, don't just celebrate what you've done for everyone else. Celebrate the fact that you're still here. You're still showing up, and you're still trying. Drop a beating heart in the comments and tell me, what's one way you're choosing you today? Because motherhood was never meant to erase you. You're still here, and you still matter. Remember, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them. Have a happy Mother's Day. Bye.